Hey everyone and welcome back. If you are new here then hello, my name is Zoe and this is my YouTube channel. Today I've got a chill video, it's a haul video. I've done a bit of makeup shopping. I'm just about to open my parcels and I thought I'd share with you what I've got. I've got Beauty Bay, Look Fantastic and P. Louise, which I haven't ordered off for ages, but they have a huge sale at the moment. Not a massive haul, but I was just about to open them anyway, so I thought I'd make a video of it. And yeah, I'm still waiting for two more parcels, I think. One from Tarte, which usually takes a little bit longer, and another is just a few lashes from Savers, but my main things are here, which is great. I'm really busy with weddings at the minute, it's peak wedding season, and if you are a makeup artist you'll know that everything decides to run out at the same time, so I needed quite a few kit top-ups. So we're going to go smallest to biggest. This is, I think, from Beauty Bay? Okay, so from Beauty Bay I just ordered 3 bronzers and I've used these before and really liked them. All of my bronzers have run out at the same time and it's very expensive, like replenishing your kit constantly. These are their own brand powder bronzers. I've used these before, really liked them, so I've repurchased them. What shades did I get? I got Fawn, Toasted and Caramel. I will open them so you can see. But these are lovely, really blendable as well. So this is my second repurchase of these. This is Fawn. Got some really nice shades. This one is Caramel, which is this right here. The formula is so nice. They're really pigmented but very blendable. And this year I am like upgrading my kit a little bit more and I am investing in new makeup. And it gets expensive, so I've decided every month if I see something, I've got a big list on my phone of like goals and products that I want to put into my kit but which are a little bit more on the expensive side. So if I see it's in the sale, I'm going to get it, and each month I'm going to invest a little bit more. And then I also got this shade which is called Toasted. Really beautiful. They're all super rich. So we've got Toasted, Fawn and Caramel. So they're the only things that I got from Beauty Bay. There weren't a lot that I needed, but after I bought my concealers which cost a fortune, I was limited on what I was getting. So that was Beauty Bay. This is Look Fantastic. I only got 2 things from here. So from Look Fantastic I got the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. I've not actually used this yet, but I've seen so many makeup artists rave about it. See how amazing it is. It puts me off because it's more of like a, oh, it's not that bad of a mist. I thought it was going to be a full-on like aerosol in your face spray. Oh, that's quite nice. The scent is strong, but it's not an awful scent, so we'll see how my clients get on with that. The next thing I got is the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Face Tonic. Now I've not seen a lot of people talk about this, but there's a makeup artist that I follow on TikTok I think, and she raves about this and I'd not actually heard of it before. And it's just a hydrating face tonic that you can like use as your skin prep before your moisturiser. And she raves about how amazing it is. It's quite a big bottle actually, so this will last a really long time. This was in the sale as well, and it's been on my wish list for ages, and I saw it, I thought I'm going to get it right now. So I'm excited to use that. What does it say? A restorative treatment that hydrates, balances and revives skin, prepares skin for the next steps in your skincare regime. Apply to clean cotton powder tissue and gently sweep over the face. So I'm going to use this as an extra skincare prep on my clients and see how we get along with it, because it's supposed to be really hydrating and really nice for your skin. So I'm excited to try that. So let's move on to the big boy, P. Louise. They've got a massive sale on at the minute. Again, I could have gone mad, but I just wanted to try a few new things. I forgot what I ordered, but I think I've gone a little bit crazy. So let's just open everything up. First thing I got, which I haven't actually repurchased for ages, is their Pro Base. I switched to just using a concealer because I ran out of this and I just never went on the website and repurchased it. So I got the bigger bottle this time because I think this is going to save me money on my Tarte concealers, so I can use this instead of my concealer for like carving out the brows and eyeshadow primer. It might make them last a bit longer because they are expensive, but I just love the Tarte concealer. So yeah, this is their Pro Base. I haven't used it for ages. I got the shade 2, which is one of my most used shades, and Yeah, I should have picked up a couple more, but I have got the smaller version in a few different shades, so I'll get through them first and hopefully pick up another one of these. So I'm going to start using that again. If you're looking for an eyeshadow primer, this is the best, but I have been using a concealer recently as well. I also picked up, what did I get? An eyebrow pencil. Because I struggle with finding dark brow pencils. Can't find like a really dark brown / black brow pencil anywhere. They're all too light. And if they are, I can find one in the shade. If I can find one in the shade, then they're just ridiculously expensive. So I think I got the darkest one in this. Espresso, I don't even know if that is the darkest shade. I can never undo these, those little plastic covers with you have to peel the tab. I'll have to try and get into that after, but it's like a little micro brow pencil dupe. I only ever really use these. I just love how nice and precise they are. So these are a pack of lip pencils, and hold on, the tops come off a couple of them, bear with me. I think you get like 10 lip pencils, and they've got like different sets. This one is a pink set, but there is quite some nice nude colours in here as well. Yeah, there was like a nude set, I think maybe a red set, and then the pink set was in the sale. I think it was maybe like a tenner or something for all those lip pencils, but you've got a really good mix of like pinks, mauves and some nudie browns. I'll swatch a couple. I really like a pencil, like a wooden pencil. Really nice and creamy, but I thought there was quite a good mix of shades in here. Yeah, some nice brownie nudes. I just thought all those lip pencils were a bargain, and I go through so many lip pencils. I got a couple of their cream bronzers, which I've not tried before. The only thing I've ever tried from P. Louise is, I think, their base. And then I have got like a little eyeshadow palette of theirs, which I really like. I think the reason why all these are in the sale is because they are getting rebranded, not because they're being discontinued. I think maybe the formula is changing a little bit as well. So I got a couple of cream bronzers. I got a few things because if I like them, then I'm going to get more. So that one is in the shade Cookie Cup. They feel really creamy. They don't really have a scent to them, I don't think. But yeah, that looks really nice. I like the packaging as well, actually. It's like a magnetic packaging. So we got that one, and what else did I get? I also got gingerbread glaze. And if I like the formula of any of these, I'm going to get more, hopefully, while they are still in the sale. And then I got a deeper one, which is gingerbread glaze. I can't tell if they've got a scent or not. I don't think they have. But they look really nice. They don't look too glowy either. I like more of like a matte cream bronzer. I think that the only two shades I got of them because I wanted to test them out first. Okay, so they were cream bronzers. And then I also got a lot of the powder full coverage, their pressed powder. I think this is like their under eye brightening powder, I think. This is what got me to the sale, and then I just ended up buying everything else. So these are supposed to be like a nice under eye brightening powder. The shade Petal. I actually got two of these because I thought I can use Petal on myself. Again, no scent. Feel really nice. Very like full coverage. Feel very full coverage. So yeah, I bought Petal for myself because it's a slightly more like a pinky, cooler undertone. I'll hold them all up so you can compare them just in case you are thinking of getting some bits as well. We got Macaroon, which I think is one of the most popular shades. I've seen a lot of people talking about the shade Macaroon. I got Dolly, which is a little bit more of like a pinky shade. I can use this as a really soft blush as well, I thought. We'll see how they work. I think they're mostly for like your under eye brightening, but they're supposed to be quite full coverage. And then I got Praline, which looks stunning. So we have praline and hazelnut. This is Dolly macaroon petal. So I'm going to give these a try this weekend, and if I like them I'm probably going to be back on the website losing all of my money again. Last but not least, I bought a blush palette because mine is on its last legs and I just really need some new blushes. And I saw this and this was in the sale as well. They've got different shades. This is called My Second Blush. I love the packaging, but it is a bit bulky, so I might have to decant this for my kit. But these are all the shades. They're just really nice pale, like pastel shades, which I thought were dead pretty. I've got some peaches and some pinks in there, and I just thought that's really pretty. I'm going to try and maybe decant this because it is quite bulky for to put into my kit. But yeah, really, really pretty, and I'm really glad that I got that because I'm in desperate need for blushes at the minute. So that is my haul. That's all I got at the minute. Waiting for my Tarte concealers and a few lashes, and that's about it. But yeah, I decided to take advantage of some sales and I'm glad that I did now. But yeah, that is it. So I hope you enjoyed today's little mini haul. I really hope you did enjoy it. Let me know if you did down in the comments. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you've shopped any of the sales, especially the P. Louise one at the minute, and let me know what you've picked up recently. And yeah, I'll see you next week in my next one. Bye!